This is a mystery box, and y'all, when I say this is a mystery box, I'm dead serious. I really don't even know what's in this. So if you don't know, I do Amazon influencer. I just review products on Amazon that I have purchased. A brand by the name of Koala reached out to me and asked me would I like to review some of their products. I said yes, and I was actually really like super excited because I do use one of their products, and it's just like a glossy paper that I use for chip bags. Now they reached out to me and said we're gonna send you some stuff. I don't know what's in this box. It's just really honestly a mystery. I was super excited because people reach out to me, but I never get like nothing really to talk about, or I never get this much stuff. So I'm definitely super excited to unbox this. So without further ado, let's go. All right, y'all, let's see what's in here. I think I just cut it when I was actually slicing it. Oops. Just from opening it up, I see we have some DTF inks. They did say, like, we see that you do DTF, but that was the only thing that they said. Oh, wow. They even got, like, the little syringe needle pieces in here for the DTF ink. So, we have blue, we got white, more white, black, red, and yellow. So all the CMYK colors, and then 2 whites. So on the front, it just got some instructions. I like how they already got them in these bags because sometimes DTF ink can spill. And they gave me 5 syringes as well. These syringes definitely come in handy. Oh, 6. Especially when you do DTF because you know that you'll be pulling ink out of your machine a lot. So I got the syringes, and they got the tops for the syringes so that it could just be smaller. Let's see what's in here. We got some DTF powder in here. So DTF transfer powder. This is for after you're finished printing your DTF, you'll just cure it with the powder. So that was white powder. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be cool. I want to try this. So it says inkjet cotton canvas. So I'm guessing it's cotton canvas paper. It's compatible with inkjet printers, size of a regular letter sheet, 8.5 by 11, and it's 10 sheets in here. Let's open it up because I'm curious. What do they mean cotton? Oh, what the? Oh, that's different. This is different. It actually feels like a fabric. Like, it doesn't feel like printer paper. It's like actually like a canvas. I hope you guys can like, do you hear it? Oh, this is nice. I actually seen something like this on Etsy where people were selling like canvases of people dogs like dressed up and they were like printing them and framing them, and they were selling them for a lot of money. So this is definitely cool. I only seen something like this on Etsy, but I didn't know how they were doing it. Now this makes a lot of sense. Inkjet cotton canvas. I'm going to try this on my printer. Comment down below if you would like for me to make a video using the cotton canvas. This is different. Okay, Koala. Next, inkjet glossy printer paper. If I'm not mistaken, this is the one that I use. It looked like a different packaging, but this is what I think I use. Yep, this is what I use for my chip bags. Basically, I like their paper because it comes out with like a perfect shine. If you could see, guys, like you could just see like their paper automatically has this gloss on it, and then it's so thin that it's so easy for me to fold when I'm doing the chip bags. So I just fold it around my chip bags like that and then just glue it on the back. This is like the perfect paper for if you're like into doing those type of decorations, like party decorations, or even if you want to just like print out some pictures and frame them, you could use this paper as well. But it's really cool. I know for sure that paper works really good when you're doing like party decorations. And so let's see what this is. So it says says dark fabric transfer paper. So I'm guessing this is like DTV, when basically you can print on your regular inkjet printer and then basically like cut this out with a Cricut, and then you'll have like DTV for your shirts. But this is for dark colored ones. I've been wanting to order something like this so I could try it out just to see how it feel. People compare it a lot to like feeling like vinyl. I definitely want to try this out, and it comes with 10 sheets. Next, we got some DTF film. This is the A4 size, and I wonder if I can fit this in my printer. I know that I have a larger printer, but I could definitely try to see if this fits and works. So basically this is just the DTF film. Let's see if there's anything else. Something else. Thank you for choosing us. What's this? Oh wow, it's huge. Oh wow. So okay, these are huge. This is a vinyl sticker paper, so printable matte. So this is the matte sticker paper, basically for when you're printing out stickers. I'm gonna open one just to show you guys. These are huge. Like, I wonder if this is going to fit in my printer, honestly. I got like a regular house printer. I didn't even know sticker paper came this big. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is the matte color, so it doesn't have no shine on there. But let's see if we could pull it apart. Yep. So this part is the sticky part, and then this just is the back sheet. And it's really tacky. I can't wait to use these. I've been wanting to make stickers for my Etsy shop, so I'm definitely going to be using this to make like thank you stickers for my packaging and just like overall branding. These are huge though. Like I don't even know that they came this big. And it's another one in here. I'm just messing this up, but I'm too hyped. This is like Christmas in August. Well, Christmas, this is like Christmas in September for me. Oh, and this is the same one, but just glossy paper. So I'm not gonna open this up because it's just glossy, but basically exactly what I needed. Sticker paper. This is just so huge. Like, if you guys want me to make a video on these too, definitely comment down, because I'm excited to do this, because I've been saying that I want to do branding and I need to make some type of something to make my stuff stand out. If you guys want me to make a video on anything that I unbox, please let me know. I'm definitely going to be doing a video on those stickers, because I've been telling myself, like, I need to take my business a lot more serious, and I need branding that's going to kind of be, like, inexpensive. So I felt like stickers would be cool, because I can design them myself, make them myself, and basically it's all in-house. But guys, I'm definitely going to be emailing Koala just to send a big thank you, and also be asking them for a link. So if you have any questions, or if you want to see these products, they're definitely going to be down in the description once I get a link from them. But if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. See you later. Bye. Peace.